The use of raised beds to grow wheat, barley and canola crops have been a saving grace for Munglinup district producer Doc Fetherstonhaugh. Together with his brother and their wives, the Fetherstonhaughs farm 3,400 hectares of country on the coast and just inland in southern Western Australia. Doc Fetherstonhaugh has observed a major difference in the performance of canola crops in the waterlogged country this season, with a major increase in the amount of growth on those raised beds. While the seasons have been variable in recent years, yields are similar between the beds and non-bed country in dry years, but the beds prove themselves in the wetter times.
We found that we get rainfall events here occasionally, fairly regularly, where you might get 100 mil in a week or a fortnight, often during May or June or July, and that's a lot. It gives you enough waterlogging in these soils to actually seriously damage your yield potential. So by using the raised beds, it just keeps the crop out of the water for that critical period, and instead of going backwards, it just continues to grow along happily. So makes a big difference to the yields in some years here.
The family also has national variety trials for canola conducted on their property. These trials are funded by the GRDC and conducted by Kalex Agriculture. Doc Fetherstonhaugh says it's important to have varieties which are suited to growing in the higher rainfall areas on raised beds.
Oh, it's critical. The new varieties, we try to have the highest yielding, obviously, the most profitable varieties we can get. And by studying the trials, we find out which ones are performing the best, and we try and grab them and adopt them as quick as we can, because that's where your profit is, if you can get high yields and high oils. And by growing on the beds, we reduce the risk that we're going to lose them to waterlogging